Hey, ladies and gentlemen, take two on this one. This is similar problem number three. This one's not too bad. It says the Bobcats won half as many games as they lost. They played 75 games, then how many did they win? Well, half as many. I know that that means divide whatever that is by two. Now, it's half as many as what? Lost. So if they lost L amount of games, they won half that. In other words, they won L, whatever that number is, divided by 2. In other words, if they lost 10 games, you know that they won 5 games, right? They won half as many as they lost. Now, the logic also extends the other way. If you want to call W the games the number that they won, you could say W times 2, or 2W is the amount of games that they lost. Either way, I'm going to change that actually, and let's make that red as not to confuse us. So you could do W and W times 2 instead of L and L divided by 2. It's just backwards. Now, obviously, if they played 75 games, the implied equation here is that we're going to add the number of games they won with the number of games they lost, assuming there are no ties, and then that should give them that 75. So in other words, let's do the W again. If I add the number of games they won to the number of games they lost, which is 2 times the amount of the games they won, that's the 75. Or the other way, again, the number of games they lost added to the number of games they won, which is half the amount that they lost. That is also equal to 75. Either one of these equations is correct. Good job if you got that.